What's up, online shoppers? If you are in search of the absolute ideal chair to take with you to tailgating, kids sports games, backyard parties, campfires, you're definitely going to want to get yourself one of these GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rockers. They are super comfortable, super convenient with all kinds of great extra features, and they actually transport really easy. Opening it up is as simple as popping it out that way. It's nice and wide. They are built of alloy steel and they are rated for 250 pounds. Now this is nice if you like a sit-up style kind of a rocking chair. They've got a little pad right here that goes under your arms, and there is a convenient little beverage holder right here on the side. You can also use it as a cell phone pocket. Here's what else I like about it. This rocking action works on any surface. Uneven, gravel, grass, patio stone, sitting around a campfire. That does not prevent it from having a super smooth rocking action. Now the secret to that is these shocks that they put at the back. They are patented by GCI Outdoors and they make rocking on any surface possible. Super comfortable. Now as far as other features, I love the mesh back of this chair because it is really great for keeping cool in warm weather. You can get good circulation through here. The outside part of the chair and the surface is made of this really durable ripstop nylon canvas that also cleans up super easy, and when it's time to stow it away, all you have to do is just pull it up like this, and it has a convenient carry handle right here built in, and I love that. It stows flat, so you can stack a few of these up in your car and not take up a ton of space. I just really think that this is one of the nicest chairs I've ever purchased. I love how easy it is to open and close, weighs less than 10 pounds, works on any surface, and it has this really nice smooth rocking action. This is the ideal chair to take with you to any outdoor event, tailgating, kids sports events, you name it. No matter which way you look at it, with all these really great extra features, the GCI Outdoors Freestyle Rocker camper chair is definitely one you're going to want to have in your garage and the back of your car for those outdoor occasions, because you will glide and rock and sit in comfort and be the envy of everybody else at the party. Definitely a family favorite at my house.